it's all in my tummy. Sandwich and fruit, it was ever so yummy. But there's some on my chair and toes, oh help me mummy, I think I might soon need a bath. I finished my dinner, it's all in my tummy. Chicken and veg, it was ever so yummy. But there's some on my hair and clothes, oh help me mummy, I think it's now time for my bath. I think it's now time for my bath.
Pansit atay ang angkuan, atay ang chicken. Ayan, kainan na. Good morning. Nagluto di ko og pansit kung lamas. Kani. It's good. Ayan. Lagay ko na yung manok. Ayan. Ayan. Lagyan na rin sa akong subak eh. Ayan, luto na ang aking gulay. Hindi pala. Pansit. Ano ba yan? Ayan, pansit atay ang angkuan. Atay ang chicken. Ayan, kainan na.